First, clean your table properly. Rub it with a rake mark to even out the irregular surface, if any. Then, take white chalk paint and Nutella brown color. Mix it well to give it a creamy color. Here we are starting with the first coat. Let it dry for a few minutes to an hour. Then comes the second coat. Let it dry. Do the third coat if required. After we are done with the base color, it's time to put decoupage paper. You need to remove the paper underneath the sheets. Then take some water, Mod Podge and brushes. Mix some water to your Mod Podge and apply it on the table where you want to place the decoupage paper. Sprinkle some water behind the decoupage paper. You can take the help of a poly sheet to place the decoupage paper as it is very fragile. Place it. Then apply some Mod Podge to secure it and also apply some cream color to even out the color around the decoupage sheet and make it gel with the background of the table. Here I am checking how the placement of decoupage sheets are to be done. Then place the other sheets as well. I wanted to give some rectangular pattern in between, so I am making a stencil from poly bag and coloring it with brown. Give some streaks of brown color around the corners. Apply varnish at the end and let it dry for a few hours under the sun. This is the final look. How did you like it? Comment below to let me know.